man. Freaking like some sort of North Pole over there. That is amazing. Hello everyone, and welcome to, this is my second point of view video. I thought I'd have another go at this. I've got a slightly different setup with the head mount, and also I'll just show you what I've done is I've strapped the GoPro, an old GoPro, to the back. Just want to see if I can pick up a little bit better audio of the exhaust, even though it's not that fancy. It's basically a standard exhaust. Got nice, whoa, actually that's the first time I've just looked up and seen it. I don't know how well it's going to come across, but the snowy hills in the background looks absolutely bloody epic. It looks like freaking like some sort of North Pole over there. That is amazing. I just thought while I was here, it's quite cool just to sort of have a little FPV walk around the car very quickly. But I'm so looking forward to when I get my strut brace. But actually, let me just turn the engine off because it's freaking noisy. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty cool. Hopefully it comes across all right on GoPro. But yeah, it's actually looking quite smart. Obviously, if you've been following, I will be changing that. That hopefully should be gold at some point, so that'll look really smart. With the gold strut brace that'll be running across there, again, that will look awesome. But for any of these little bits and bobs like the paint mods, the Blue Iguana MS, and the CUK washers, I've got links to various places now in my description. So yeah, go check them out if you're interested in any of that. But doesn't it look pretty cool? I think the black and gold, it's just something you don't really see much, and when it's done more, yeah, I'm going to be proper happy with that. But anyway, let's get on with what we're here to do. The fact the car is pretty damn dirty, but doesn't matter. I actually feel like there's snow here, and if no one was probably here or looking, I would love to start doing some handbrake turns here. It would be cool. But anyway, let's have a go and let's see how it goes. Right, let's start her up. So I was thinking of doing is having I'll just make sure that radio turns off. Don't want that on. I'm thinking of opening the window so we can hear the induction. I might open both. Let's open both, and look, heated seats. Yes, heated seats, because it's freaking cold. So let's go and see what it's like. It's like a bit of a country road up here, so at least I can give it a little bit of a blast. Sounds so cool. I just hope the GoPro actually picks up the audio all right. That sounds so good. Just check out that view. That is immense. Close this window now a bit. just go a little bit slower here because it is quite narrow roads around this bit now. Just going to find, I'm not sure how far I'm going to go up this way, but whoa, can you see the view of those mountains in the background? That is so cool. Yeah, I'll just try and find somewhere to spin round because I am on my dinner time sort of break, so haven't got very long. I just nipped out because I had to go and do something in my local town. But yes, I just thought it's a good excuse to get out and give the car a bit of a blast. Okay, it looks like I could probably turn around ahead. God, the turning circle on these cars is so bad. So hopefully the audio off the GoPro has worked. I don't know until I get home if it's going to work. Either way, I'm going to upload the video because I'm hoping something comes across. Oh my god, those snowy hills are amazing. Let's just do a few more little blasts so we can sort of hear the induction, because I do love the induction sound. Once it hits, I think it's over 3,000, it just really comes alive. And it's a good excuse to bed the brakes in. Damn, there's a van. We can wait a little while and enjoy the view. There's no one behind me. It's a pretty good view up here. Is you then end up with loads of wind noise, so it's just tricky. So that's the end of my spin out. It's probably a pretty short video, but yeah, as always everyone, you know, please like, comment, subscribe if you're new, or share the video. Maybe you want to share the contents of the video. It's always appreciated. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.